Good morning, my dear children. So I'm back with your model science class. Today is your model science. I think so. The previous two lessons which I taught in the class, you all collected the assignments also, and you all read the lesson also very nicely. So today I'm going to teach a new lesson. So before starting the lessons, what are you all doing? You all are playing with your friends nearby? No. Playing with your parents, your grandparents, listening to stories, doing your lessons. My children are very good. I know they will do all these things very nicely, and we will all pray to God, okay, so that this condition tides over very quickly. And one thing, my dear children, I'll have a online meeting with you all, okay. I'll have the online meeting with you all as Mo ma'am is doing, okay. So online meeting I'm going to have with you all. I'll inform you, and I'll send the link to you and your parents, my children also. So if any doubts, any queries you all are having regarding your model science, your English one, these two things only I'm taking, and your spellings, reading, whatever I'm taking, regarding those things, I'm going to have a meeting, okay, with you all. And I expect that the parents will also be over there. So please, my dear children, and my request to the parents, please, you all attend the meeting, and I'll give the schedule and the link will be sent to you timely, okay. So my dear children, so I'm coming back to the class again, and all of you, my dear students, open your book. See, bright hearts, and to page number 17, happy with what I have. So the name of the lesson is happy with what I have. So this is the name of the lesson. So page number 17, okay. So I'll go for the reading also. So you can take this as a reading class also, okay. Reading doesn't mean that from the reading book only you have to read, from the rapid reader there only you have to read, and others you don't have to read. Reading means from anywhere, okay. You have to read whatever books you all are having, whatever subjects you all are having, you have to read from there only, okay. That is your reading class, okay, my dear children. Then, happy with what I have. Let me speak about this chapter, introduction part of it, okay. So, what is it talking about? Sometimes we see that we are having lot of dresses, still we long for more. We are having lot of dolls with us. For the boys, they are having lot of cricket bats, balls with them. Still, they long for more. We are having games, still we want more games. We are having dress, we have more of it. So that is, our greed is not satisfying, okay. When we are having this, we want for something else. When we are having that, again we want something else. So our greed, it's very difficult to satisfy our greed, okay. We are human beings. So, but in this model science chapter, it's telling that we should be satisfied, or we should be happy with what we have. Not to expect more, but we should be happy with what we have. We should never feel sad that I'm not having this thing. That fellow is having, but I'm not having. We shouldn't feel sad about it. We should thank to God. We should pray to God that whatever we are having, we are happy with that. Okay, so we should thank God, we should pray to God, because you can see children, so many orphans are there, you know, they are staying in the orphanage, small children, they are not having their papa nor their mama, they are staying in the orphanage, so they are so sad, but still they are also happy, because they pray to God that they are having a place to stay, okay, and God is always looking at us, okay, or God is always blessing us, so we should be happy with what we have. We shouldn't be dissatisfied. We should not be sad that we are not having this, we are not having that. We should be satisfied with what we have. Now let's go to the lesson. Page number 17, okay, my dear children. It was Sunday. It's a very nice story. Story of Anam's mother and Anam's father, and what Anam is trying to do, okay. We see that when the situation comes very odd in our life, then what should we do? What should we do? We should grab with our greed, or we should grab with our life. Only the requisites which are required for our life, we should be taking those things, or we should be taking all the things in the odd time. So the time may come that we have to leave the house for certain time, and then we have to come back again. So what should we do? in that situation, what should we do? So this story is talking about that only. So let's pay attention to the story. It will be more clear when I read the story to you all. Okay, my dear children. Now, all of you start reading with me. Page number 17. It was Sunday. Aman's mother was making a shopping list. Shampoo, biscuits, yogurt, toothpastes, noodles, batteries, a light bulb, and so on. So these are the things which Anam's mother was making a list. So these things were needed. Okay. Then Anam's wanted her mother to buy her a pair of shoes to match her new dress. So Anam wanted her mother to buy her a pair of shoes to match her new dress. So I told greed will never end. Anam is having shoes, but still she wants more, okay, to match with her dress. Mother said, you already have 6 pair of shoes. So it's not an ordinary thing. She's already having 6 pair of shoes. Apart from sandals and slippers. Apart from slippers and sandals, those are others. Normally good shoes, she's having 6 pairs. Leaving this sandals and slippers. Do you really need another? Then mother is telling, do you really need another? So a question mark is over here, so you have to ask a question. Just then, Anam's father entered the room. He looked worried. A terrible storm is about to hit the city this afternoon. We have to leave for a safe place some miles away. Now what happened? Now just then, this daughter and mother were talking about the shoes. And at that time, what happened? Who entered? Anam's father entered from the office, and he was in a very worried. He was very worried. He was in a very worried manner, and he told that we have to leave this place because a storm is coming. And you know about this Yash. You heard about the storm. You experienced it. Okay. Then Amphan. They are very fearsome storm. Okay. They destroys everything. They are having the devastating effect. So and the people get very, very worried, okay, when they hear that this storm is about to come. So what happened? Then Anam's father, he's just telling, I'm very worried because we have to shift this place. We have to go to a other safe place because this place is not at all safe because the storm is going to hit this place. So we have to leave the place in order to save our life. Okay. Then a terrible storm is about to hit the city this afternoon. We have to leave for a safe place some miles away. But what about our house, our things? Anam's mother asked. Quite natural. Now Anam's mother asked that then what about the things we are having in our house? We have to carry those things or we have to leave it over here? What we will do? We have to leave the place then. Go to the next page, my dear children, page 18. Now let's see what Aman's father is telling. We can take only things we can't do without, like food, water, blankets, a torch, he said. We might be without electricity for some days. Now what happened? Now they are telling, Anam's father is telling that no, we can't take all the things there. We can only take the things which are essential, which are our daily requisite, without which we can't live. Okay, that is food, that is water. Okay, food and water, the most indispensable thing without which we can't survive. So this is the most important thing. First is the water, and then is the food. Air we are getting everywhere. Okay, so air is also very much required. But over here, I'll go to science then if I talk about the air. So now we are talking about food, water, blankets to cover when you are feeling very much when you are feeling cold, so you use a blanket, or to make a bed you use a blanket. So blanket is also needed. A torch, because during the night time sunlight is not there, so you need some light, and electricity at that time is out of order. Then who will take the place of it? Who will fill the place? That is the torch. He said, we might be without electricity for some days, and it may happen that the electric poles get uprooted. okay, and the wires get looped, then what will happen? The electric wires get looped, then what will happen? Then electric supply, the people who work over there, they cut off the supply, okay, for the safety of the people. So for some days it may happen that we have to stay without electricity. So who is telling that? Anam's father is telling this to Anam's mother. Anam's father took out a bag. Quick, put in as many things as you want in this, but take only what you really need and leave the rest here. So only the essential things you have to take, the things which are without which we can't survive. Okay, those things are our things which we need daily, and the other things, that is for our luxury, to meet our greed. Those things are not so important. Okay, then Anam looked at her toys scattered on the floor. Her mother shook her head. You won't need so many toys, Anam, and left the room to pack her own things. So Anam is having so lot of toys, but Mama is telling, no Anam, you can't take so many toys. You can just take one of the toy, you can play with it, but not all the toys which you are having, because this time is very much important. It's a very crucial time, and we have to shift to a safer place. Okay, many people are also going over there, so you can't take so many things. Your luxury, your things which is meant for your luxury, which is meant for your pleasure, all these things you can't take over there. Only the things which you can take over there are the essential things. Then think of all the things that Anam and her family would need. Make a list of the things. Okay, it is of no use. So, and over here, so what do we learn from this lesson? When we have all we need, we want more things. I told about it's a greed. But we really do not need all these things. But do we really need? So Anam is having 6 pair of shoes, leaving the slippers and sandals. Still she is wanting more shoes. Okay, this happens with the elder people also. We are having lot of saris, we are having lot of salwas, still we want more. We are having lot of things to eat, still we want more. Okay, so this urge of having more, this is called greed, and we should have the control over greed, because no one knows. See, Anam's father, they are also having a lot of things, but when the nature is giving an alarm to us that no, you can't take all these things with you, then we are helpless. So we have to control the greed. The first of all the things, the human being, we are human being, we should control is the greed. We should control our greed. Until and unless we control our greed, we can never be happy in our life. So we should start this from a very small age. Okay, like the age of yours, my dear children. Okay, we should start like this. By reading this story, it should be very much clear to you. Only some things are useful to us. So do you think all the things are very useful to us? So many toys are useful to us? No, only a few. Okay, but we can never conquer the greed. It's very, very, very difficult. Once you are having a thing, you'll expect something more. Then that also you are having, you'll expect something more. So this is the greed of human beings. Okay, so my dear children, but if you can control your greed, you'll be very happy in your life. That whatever I am having, you will pray to God, you will thank God. In fact, that God, whatever I am having, I am very happy with that. I am very happy with that, whatever I am having. So you just make us safe, make us happy, okay, and shower the blessings on us. Then only we will be happy. Okay, so this is the story. Okay, so now I'm going to read the story. Okay, just a reading of it. Okay, now all of you, I explained the lesson to you. In the next class you will get the true or false, you'll get over here. True or false you'll get, and the next day, and whatever is there I'll see in the exercise, whatever is there I'll do it, and the other day you'll get the question answers, and you'll copy it in your model science notebook. Okay, now it was Sunday. Anam's mother was making a shopping list: shampoo, biscuits, yogurt, toothpaste, noodles, batteries, a light bulb, dash 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 means so on. Okay, but don't tell this. Anam wanted her mother to buy her a pair of shoes to match her new dress. Mother said, "You already have 6 pair of shoes. Apart from sandals and slippers, do you really need another?" Just then, Anam's father entered the room. He looked worried. A terrible storm is about to hit the city this afternoon. We have to leave for a safe place some miles away. But what about our house, our things? Anam's mother asked. We can take only things we can't do without, like food, water, blankets, a torch, he said. We might be without electricity for some days. Anam's father took out a bag. Quick, put in as many things as you want in this. But take only what you really need and leave the rest here. Anam looked at her toys scattered on the floor. Her mother shook her head. You won't need so many toys, Anam, and left the room to pack her own things. Okay, so this is the story. Now, when we have all we need, we want more things. But we really do not need all these things. Only some things are useful to us. And what is the meaning of storm? Strong winds and heavy rain. So this is the meaning of storm. So this chapter, you will read the chapter, okay, many times. And the way I told you, the way to read, you will read in this way. Maybe the literature, maybe science, maybe computer, maybe moral science, whatever is there. This is the pattern how you have to read. Okay, my dear children. So bye-bye. We will meet in the next class. Stay safe in your house.